front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all text correction settings on this Vivo. You need to start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing Gboard. Now you need to install this free app from Google Developer and open it. Following that, choose Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to Gboard and tap on OK. Then you need to go back, choose Select Input Method, and in this pop-up over here, choose Yes or Forbid if you want to receive notifications from Gboard app. I don't want to, so I will go with Forbid. Then click on Select Input Method, tap on Gboard, and finally click on Done. Now you need to select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!